When you think of New York City, you think of big dreams, bright lights, and Canal Street? Well, Canal Street is notoriously known for fake Rolexes, Gucci belts, basically anything popular or a current trend, it's probably faked on Canal Street. So of course, while we were in New York City, we had to check out Canal Street to see what the weirdest thing is that we could find.
Yeah, let's go. How much are these?
Not that bad. 40 bucks.
40 bucks?
40 bags? What you got? Tell me what you got.
I just don't like that kind.
Got like knockoffs, like
Right here, dude.
I don't think they're my style. No, sorry, try it again. Don't look. This guy's
They look good, dude.
You got hold. They're common.
You should get these, dog. All right, put them on. Oh, look at these molars. Dang, dude. There we go. There we go. That's a good one.
Let's go.
What, $5?
The RM.
How much for the Richard Millie?
200.
200. Not bad for a million.
Now, if you don't know about Labubu, let's catch you up. Labubu is a creation by the artist K-Sing Lung and produced by Pop Mart. But this mischievous, wide-eyed creature has become a cult collectible in a short period of time, and it's something that you've probably already seen on your TikTok timeline. So we caught up with the boys from Meebits, and we got them to unbox 2 Labubus. Check it out.
Bailey on Canal Street. We got some fake Labubus.
All right, we're gonna unbox these 2 Labubus until they're real from the matching packaging.
$10 on Canal Street. What do they normally retail for?
$27.99.
They gotta be real.
Make what?
The real one.
Yeah, right. So that's the rare one. That's the rare one. If it gets that one, that's on the door. 500.
That guy worth?
500.
And you'll sell it on eBay for like 800.
Exactly. So let's go. 200.
So the blue, not great.
Legendary.
Not that great. All right, not the secret. Okay.
We got one. It's the hope. The hope.
One out of 6 are all.
Okay.
We got one more shot.
We got one more shot.
If it is truly counterfeit, there'll probably be only the same one in each one, no?
Yeah, it might be. It looks blue. Oh, there. You got the mid.
Oh,
The real Labubu.
same rarity, 1 out of 6. Anybody else want to open their Labubus?
No.
No?
Unboxing on Canal Street with Bailey. Let's get it, dude.
Bailey and the Meebits crew. Let's go.
We got some Rolexes. Let's show them your fake Rolex.
So if you're looking for some knockoff Labubus, I mean, check out Canal Street. Who knows, maybe you'll get one of the rare ones. But that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next Unboxing Web 3 episode. Peace.